Hello everyone. Welcome to the 34th video of the Adobe After Effects tutorial from beginner to advanced. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I recommend that you do. From the effects panel, I go to the color correction section and apply the auto color effect to the video. When we apply the auto color effect to the footage, we see that it immediately affects the image. The auto color effect adjusts the contrast and color of an image after analyzing the shadows, midtones, and highlights of the image. Now I will add the auto contrast effect to the image. This effect also affects the image immediately. The auto contrast effect adjusts the overall contrast and mixture of colors. This effect considers the lightest and darkest pixels in the image as white and black and then redistributes the intermediate pixels. The result is that highlights appear lighter and shadows appear darker. By activating and deactivating the effects, we can see the effect of the effects. But because the auto color, auto contrast, and auto levels effects look at each frame separately, they may cause flickering during playback. Temporal smoothing helps us to solve this problem. When temporal smoothing is set to 0, it looks at each frame individually, but I set it to 3 seconds to get a smoother image. In this way, it looks at the image every 3 seconds. There are also similar settings in both effects. If selected scene detect, frames beyond a scene change are ignored when surrounding frames are analyzed for temporal smoothing. We use the black clip and white clip to adjust the amount of shadows and highlights in the image. Value in the range of 0.0% to 1% is recommended. Snap neutral midtones identifies an average nearly neutral color in the frame and then adjusts the gamma values to make the color neutral. This option is only available in the auto color effect. The blend with original option in the contrast effect displays the value of combining the image with the effect. The higher you set this value, the less it affects the layer. As I said, there are the same settings for auto contrast. By clicking on Reset, we return to the default settings of the effect. Now I add the auto levels effect to the image. The auto levels effect considers the lightest and darkest values in each color channel in the image to white and black and then redistributes the intermediate values. Finally, we see that the highlights look brighter and the shadows look darker and the image is balanced. Will have. Also, if needed, like the auto color effect, we can adjust the amount of black clip, white clip, and the amount of combining the effect with the image. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial till the end. In the next video, I will teach you the continuation of the effects. Please like the video and leave a comment for me. Subscribe to see more tutorials. See you next time.